First of all, I want to check you know this word. I'm sure you know it. What is the Korean word for intelligence? One more time. 지능? Tell me if this is right. Correct? My Korean writing is not good. Okay, so you know the Korean word. How can you explain what intelligence is in English? A little louder? Yes. How? How smart a person is. Good. So when someone is intelligent, they are smart, right? So intelligence is how smart a person is. This is a little difficult question. What makes a person intelligent? How do we decide who is intelligent, who is not intelligent? Little louder? Effort?
Yeah.
Yes, that is true. It is how much effort. It is also about what we know. What is the name for that? It starts? Knowledge, exactly. So, in my opinion, you can tell me if you disagree or agree. I think intelligence is about knowledge. Do you agree? Yeah. So Isabel, you said effort, right? Do you think you can increase your knowledge if you put effort in? If you make effort, can your intelligence go up? Yeah, I believe so. So, when you are born, when you are a baby, do you already have lots of knowledge? No. So how do you get knowledge? Yeah, you study. You study or you learn, right? And when you learn, you get knowledge. So I think intelligence is about how you get knowledge. And one more thing. Once you have your knowledge, what do you do with it? Why is knowledge good? When we study something, do we study it just to remember? We study to use it, right? Because if we don't use our knowledge, it is not useful. So, knowledge is about learning and using your knowledge. So for example, some people are very slow when they learn something. Do you think those people are all stupid? No. Maybe they take a long time to learn, but they remember and they use their knowledge. Can you raise your hand if you are slow to learn? Who is a slow learner? Kashi, maybe? But when you learn, do you remember? So your knowledge is slow to learn, but you remember for a long time. And the opposite, some people are very fast at learning. Who is a fast learner here? You don't want to tell me. Okay, some people are fast to remember. Are all of those people very smart? No, maybe not. Sometimes you can study a lot and remember a lot, and what next? You forget. I think when you study for a test, you do that. Am I right? Mm-hmm. You study, put it on the paper. What next? Forget, of course. So, how fast or how slow you get your knowledge, it doesn't mean you are smart or stupid. Okay, last question before we do an activity. These days, how do we measure intelligence? Little louder? With a test. What kind of test? I showed you at the start of the class. With an IQ test.